Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to do basic breakdance moves. We'll start with top rock, which is your standing foundation. It's all about rhythm and getting comfortable with your body. Begin with the Indian step, crossing one foot over the other, then try the salsa step, moving side to side. These foundational steps are crucial for building your confidence and preparing you for ground work, setting a strong base for everything else you'll learn. Next, let's dive into the sixth step, a core footwork move. This involves 6 distinct positions, moving around your body in a circular motion. Focus on smooth transitions from one step to the next, keeping your hands on the ground for support. Maintaining a low center of gravity is key for balance and control. Practice this slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable with the sequence and flow. Now let's try your first freeze, the baby freeze. This move looks impressive but is quite accessible. Place one elbow firmly into your hip and your head gently on the ground, creating a stable 3-point support. Extend your legs out for balance, forming a strong, stable shape. Aim to hold this position for at least 3 to 5 seconds. Consistent practice will build the core strength needed to hold it longer and more confidently. Once you've mastered these basics, you can start exploring more advanced moves like the swipes or even the foundational windmill. Remember, consistency is vital. Dedicate at least 30 minutes every day to practice, focusing on fluidity and connecting your moves. Don't be afraid to experiment and develop your own unique style. Breakdancing is a journey of self-expression, so have fun and enjoy the process of learning and growing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.